Imagine getting a nursing degree where you don't have to go for physical classes, and at the end of the semester, for a short period of time, you get your degree. ABU is Ahmadu Bello University. It's a federal university located in Kano State area, and it offers various programs ranging from undergraduate program to postgraduate program to PGD program. So this university also offers direct entry program for nursing. However, there are requirements for this course in this university.
Are y'all ready for this?
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, my name is Adita. I'm a registered nurse, and today I'm going to be telling you about the Ahmadu Bello University nursing program, direct entry nursing program. So let's start with what is direct entry. Direct entry simply means that you are studying a course where you don't have to go for physical classes. So it basically means studying at the comfort of your home. This course runs for 2.5 years, and there are 3 semesters in 1 year. So if you have 3 semesters in 1 year, you should be having about 6 to 8 semesters throughout the program. So each semester is for 3 months, and at the end of the program, you'll be given a BSc nursing degree certificate. The admission process is divided into 3 phases. We have the application process, we have the screening process, and we have the payments process, where you have to, after payments, then you resume your classes immediately. So the application process, I'm going to be taking you through it, and the screening phase, everything you have to know. For the application process, the form is about 10 to 15,000 naira.
Here's also the application process yourself. You log into the ABU DLC website, which you can see here. This https://apply.abudlc.edu.ng. So that's the link that you go through. Then you see apply now, which is the place you click on. Then when you click on it, you see this page come up where you can create accounts, confirm accounts, and submit accounts. So they are just telling you the processes that are involved. So you click on create account, and then this form comes out. So you want to sign up to the form by filling in basic information about yourself. So your name, your phone number, your sex, your email, your country, then the program, which is BNSC program. Then you're also expected to fill in a strong password that involves capital letters, small letter, numbers. So this is the one that I went for. Then afterwards, you are going to enter the password to confirm that this password is the same as the one that you inputted initially. So here I'm going to select Nigeria as my country, and then after that, the program is BNSS Nursing Science. Referral code I wasn't referred by anyone, so I can just pick. I got it on YouTube. Then mode of engagement, I would like to book a one-on-one session, meaning that they would call you to explain the program to you, or you would like to listen to a recorded video that they can send to your mail. So afterwards, I create an account. So immediately they send me a mail. Then I open the mail to activate my account. So activating my account is just like confirming my account. So after activating, I see this page of mine which comes up. So here they're only telling you to just change your profile picture, or if there's any other information you want to change, you can also do it here. So I click on the profile picture, then I just get a picture. I'm just choosing a random picture for now. So just see this. Then after I upload the random picture, this page comes up. So I'm going to go forward by also registering the program for that. BSc Nursing Science, my personal information, I stay in Nigeria. So these are basically just basic information about yourself. So you fill in the next of kin, your next of kin phone number, next of kin email address, the relationship with your next of kin is your mother, your father, your siblings, or your friend, your husband, any one of them. Just go through the information in the form and just make sure that all the information you put there are updated, and because these are the information that will be used to process your admission letter and everything that you need. So make sure that you put in the relevant information. You're also going to be asked if you had a previous degree. So this program, as I have said, requires you to have your RN license, requires you to have either your WAEC, NECO or NAPTEP. So if it's WAEC you're using, you can put it here, and then you impute your grades over here. So you can, for me, I like starting with maths, English, then the core science courses, then I will now add others. So then you impute your O-level results, like the form, like your WAEC certificate, you want to put it here. So then you want to upload your transcript also from your school. So for those that have done RN before, so you want to go to your school and get your transcript. So you're going to upload it here. So afterwards, you just submit.
Now for the screening process, here is when you need to bring all the required documents. So all the required documents I need is one, you need your WAEC or NECO results. So you should have passed the 5 core science courses, which are English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. So after that, you need your you need your transcript from your school. So for someone that wants to do this program, you need to have had your IRN license. So someone from that has done another course, maybe like microbiology, biochemistry, you can partake in this direct entry program. However, for those that have gone to the school of nursing, where they did 3 years and got their license, so you can just go through this program immediately and then get your license and then get your degree. So you need your RN license or RN notification. So you need to be able to tender those two. However, if you don't have those two, you can start the screening process and tell them that you're going to bring it later. But you need to submit your RN license or notification before you start your classes. And after that, you need a transcript from your school where the school is able to say that, okay, you passed through their school and graduated with an RN license. After the screening phase, you'll be told to go for Jamb Regularization. So the Jamb Regularization, the place you did your screening is not far from there, so they are going to direct you. It's just the Wisdom CBC Center located at Ogba for the one in Lagos. So they have different centers in different states where you can always go for your screening. You don't have to travel all the way to Kano to do your screening. You can do it from the place where you are located. It's just to find their closest center and then go for your screening. So let's talk about Jamb Regularization. So what is Jamb Regularization? Normally, if you want to go for your undergraduate program in the university, what happens is that you take your JAMB, you take your post JAMB, and then you get admission, and you see your name on the admission list on JAMB portal. JAMB is able to print out an admission letter for you. However, for those that went through direct entry, you know that you didn't have to write JAMB or go through JAMB directly. So what will happen in JAMB regularization is JAMB is able to acknowledge your admission without doing JAMB. So that is what Jamb regularization is about. So for Jamb regularization, I think you pay 3,000 to 5,000 naira for the regularization. A lot of people say that you don't have to. Jamb regularization is not necessary. You can do it anytime. However, make sure you do it before you graduate. For me, my advice is just do it after your screening because the center is not far from where you did your screening. So why take so long to do something you can easily do?